In Port Lincoln, South Australia, a father and son's team are calling on 4 generations of woodworking tradition to develop something extremely special. Rhapsody in Wood believe their wooden maps are globally unique. Using sustainably sourced timbers, each country is represented by a different variety. Specially adapted machinery assist many of the processes painstakingly performed by hand. After several lamination processes, each piece is individually double waxed before solid oak or jarrah frames are screwed, plugged and glued into place. Each unique artwork comes with a lifetime guarantee, testimony to the quality of workmanship. Either as a personalised gift or pride of place over the boardroom table, Rhapsody in Wood has created stunning, uniquely individual statement pieces to be treasured and passed down through generations to come.